Good day everyone. Today we are going to solve the in-class activity number 5. So the question is, write a program that asks the user to enter a string and then the program should then print the following. So first we're going to understand the first sentence. So we are going to write a program that asks the user to enter a string. So we are going to create a program that will let the user to enter their own desired string. So we are going to put every question here an input command so that the the user will be able to enter its own string. Next. For letter A, we are going to print the total number of characters in the string. So to do this, we are going to first put the input command and then enter the desired string and then use the command len and then x because this is the variable we chose, and then for example electronics, so it is going to count the word electronics and it will count 11 characters in it. Then for letter B, the same thing, but we are going to multiply the string 10 times. The string is repeated 10 times. So to do this, we are going to put the variable x, multiply it by 10. So for example, electronics, then put a space in it so that it will not look bad. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 10 words in it. So for letter C, the first character of the string. So it will print the first character or the first word. So we should remember that the string indices start at 0. So to do this, we are going to type print x and then a bracket. It can be a curly bracket or a box type bracket. I used a box type bracket in here, so we're going to put 0 in here because it stated that we are going to use the first character. Next, we're going to type electronics and it will show letter E only. Then for letter D, the first 3 characters of the string. So to do this, we're going to type def and then space first underscore 3 str and then colon, don't forget the colon, and then enter, then space return space str and then a bracket and then a colon and then 3 because it is the first 3 and then another bracket and then we're going to put if because if the character we enter has only 3, then it will show the 3 letters only. So if len str and then less than 3, else the variable we put in the input command. So for example, red, it will show red. So try this again. Electronics, it will show ELE as you can see here. For letter E, the last 3 characters of the string. So to do this, we're going to put the print and then x and then another bracket and then -3 because it will show, this command will show the last 3 characters. Don't forget the colon as well. So for example, electronics ICS, as you can see here. For letter F, the string backwards. So for example, we're going to type here, instead of -3, we're going to put 2 colons and then -1. this is the command for putting our string backwards. For example, electronics. As you can see here, it will reverse the words including the capital letter. So for letter G, the seventh character of the string if the string is long enough and the message is otherwise. So we're going to ask the user to enter the desired string longer than 7 characters. So remember that we're going to print 6 because the string indices start at 0. So we're going to start from 0 and then up to 6. So for example, electronics again, and it will show letter O, as you can see here. For letter H, the string with its first and last characters removed. So we're going to print and then X and then bracket and then 1 and then colon -1. So this command will remove the first and last characters. So electronics again. And as you can see, it removed the the E and then the S. For letter I, it is going to put in all caps. So we are going to ask the user to put his string in lowercase. And then use the command .upper and then open and close parenthesis. So this is the variable. So x.upper, open and close parenthesis, and then close parenthesis again. So for example, electronics. As you can see here, it put the word in all caps. And for letter J, it will replace the string, every A replaced with an E. So for example, let us try apple. Oh, before that, we're going to use the command .replace and then put a string with letter A and then comma, a string with letter E and then print. So we're going to try it. Wait. So I have made an error. We can only use this in lowercase a. So to do this, we're going to type lowercase apple. And as you can see, the A at the first character is replaced with an E. That is all, I think. Thank you for watching.